Hello everyone. You might have seen these kinds of infographics going viral on LinkedIn and other social media. In this video, I'll be showing you an automation that I've created which will do this exact same thing automatically by using Google Nano Banana Pro. So you don't have to open a designing tool like Canva and doing this manually or paying someone to do this for you. And you can now go viral as well for free. So I'll be sharing the blueprints of this exact same automation for free. So you don't have to be worried about that as well. So what exactly this does? So I've created this for one of my clients, and this is basically in this use case what we do is there is a YouTube video, maybe someone's or your own YouTube video, and then we are like giving some special points to highlight in that particular video. May- That's optional, but let me run this once to give you a good idea. I'll unpin this as well, and let's go to YouTube and let's copy this video, which is around 44 minutes. I'll copy this. It might take some time, so you don't have to be obviously doing this automatically right now just for testing and showing. I am opening N8N, but obviously you'll not have to do this. How to use AI. This is the video about AI, so I'll submit this. And now we are using Apify to scrape that particular video. And by the way, Apify in here. So we are using this YouTube scraper, and Apify come up with $5 in which you can scrape more than almost 20 to 30 videos, so you don't have to be worry about. And it's renew monthly, means you don't like you'll get for free $5, means around 30 to 20 videos, so which is really amazing. And then what we are doing is once we get the transcript in here, as you can see, here's a transcript, really long video. And then what we finally do is combine that transcript and then pass that transcript to ChatGPT and tell to create really good infographic prompt. And we have this prompt. Obviously, you can change it according to your tone and style. Currently, I'm using this one. And then what we are doing is we are using Kai AI. Kai AI is basically a unified API for all of these AI video and image models. And what we can do is like create all of them under one API. And by the way, it come up with really good free trial as well. So you can use that. And if you want to like make it to the next level, even you can don't use ChatGPT. Instead, you can use Google, which is free. So now our video infographic is being generated. Let's see. Let's take a look. Amazing, amazing. Let me download it. Wow. Look at the consistency and look at these graphics. This is really amazing. So I see myself enough talking. If you need the blueprints of this automation, all you have to do is comment infographic and I'll share this with you. And if you don't want to go in APIs, go in N8 and you don't know about it, all you have to do is reach out to me and I'll create this exact same system for you as well. Thank you.